Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm sharing the Hero Arts, my monthly hero kit with you, and then an extra special item that is not part of the kit. Then I'll just give you a couple updates. Let's get right into it. This month's, if you're not familiar, Hero Arts has a kit. Lots of companies have a kit, so if you have a favorite company, you should check out their website or their Instagram or that kind of thing. Follow their media presence and see if they do warehouse sales or kits, or how you can get their newest or maybe some value priced product from them. These kits come out every month. They have completely different themes and different products. This one is already unwrapped, but you can see they put neat stuff in them. So this is like probably a paper, some kind of, I think they call it paper ribbon or paper twine. It feels like this Tim Holtz paper string, okay? It feels like that, and it's sort of a variegated in brown, so it goes with the Mother Earth theme that we have here. This month's kit is about the Earth. You have in the kit, there's always a bunch of stamps and dies, 6x8 clear set, coordinating frame dies, the reactive ink 5-color palette pad. Notice in earth colors that you would use, green eco glitter. Now this is something I hadn't heard of before, and this is pretty cool. Hero Arts Eco Glitter, biodegradable glitter. And it says on the back, eco-friendly eco glitter is great and safe in all your crafting projects. Use it with their glue, cosmetic grade, uses plant material instead of petroleum-based plastic. It's made in the USA. Those are the highlights for me, and I think it's pretty cool. And if you look at it, it is very fine and beautiful. At least by looking at the package, you wouldn't know the difference. If I gave you this, you'd be saving the planet, and you'd be just as happy as any other glitter. Then here, they've given you in the kit these tiny, tiny little brushes to use these colors. And if you look, let's open this up. The stamps this month are very detailed. This is a kit that I think is more for someone who colors. Let me get it off of this so you can see it. And let's put it on white for you. I think that probably does the best. The sentiments are, you mean the world to me, sending my love, I'm with you, one world is enough for all of us, wishing you an abundance of happiness, you are very precious, so take care, protect the earth. Then look at this one. Just kind of study it and look at it for a minute, and I'll go real slow. I thought it was a fairy at first, but it's Mother Earth, and then there's all the like critters down here, birds and fish, and then there's a flower and some clouds and a bunch of flowers, some branches, leaves. Oh, look at this gorgeous koi stamp right here. Take a second. There you go. See it? And a peace sign and the planet, more clouds, more flowers and birds and a tree. And, oh, I see, you have the hands, and then all these other things are about the same size. So in these kits, they make it so that you could mix and match and they would all work. So all of these can probably go right here between the hands, and then I wouldn't be surprised if this circle would frame just about any of these. Very, very pretty. Lots of detail here, right? I'm not a coloring type person, so I'm more excited about the sentiments and the hands. I do like the koi. That's very cool. And then the dies are right here on the back. These kits have a ton of dies, and if you don't see it, you just have to believe it's there. Like this big one right here, before they're cut apart, they're kind of hard to see. This would go around Mother Earth, and these are the hands and the leaves and the circle for the planet and all that, and butterflies. There's a lot in there. That's a lot of dies. And every month is like that. Their kits are pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff in them. And then it probably came wrapped in tissue or paper that's also reusable. You know, I reuse all that packaging stuff. We don't need our Santa or snowman in here. Then look at this. This is another stamp set that I'm going to pull it. I think you'll still have glare because it's still plastic and you're looking at it. So Hero Arts, let's read about it right here. Hero Arts is celebrating our 45th anniversary, and we honored and and we are honored and humbled that Pink Fresh Studio is joining in the celebration. This special partner's Hero Arts plus Pink Fresh Studio 6x8 clear set and other related products are available at heroarts.com/partners, pinkfreshstudio.com, and retailers near you. And when Tasha and I were out shopping, she was looking at some partner products, and they are pretty cool. I love this stamp set. And of course, it's made in the US. This is a gorgeous flower background for your card. And then you have a sentiment stamp right here that says, "We believe in you." You also have, "I'm your biggest fan," which I would assume will fit in there. "So proud of you," "Be you," "Best wishes," "You amaze me," "Just a note," "You are so special." All of those would probably fit right in here. "You make a difference." "Will it be easy?" Nope. "Will it be worth it?" Absolutely. Love that one. I think it would fit there too. And then this is probably the only one that might not fit in that front. This would probably go inside. "Take pride in how far you have come and have faith in how far you can go." I love the stamp set. I like the size. As far as sentiments, I like a little bit smaller sentiment so I have room to decorate the card. And I like sentiments that are encouraging and neutral, not necessarily, happy birthday or seasonal. What day of the year could you not send a card that says, "We believe in you," or "I'm your biggest fan," or "So proud of you"? I mean, you could always use these cards. They'd be gorgeous. And this, even for someone who doesn't like to color, I could ink this about a million different ways, or I could color it, or I could just stamp the whole thing in blue and it would be beautiful. So I'm really excited for this stamp set. Really excited for my friend to have purchased it so I can use it at some point. And so there's the kit and her add-on for the month. And thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is having a great week. I have finished up my cards for work, but you won't see those until later in the week when I get them passed out. And I'm going to start cleaning up my craft room and finishing up a couple items that I had hoped to send out to some of you quite a while ago. Then you'll also see, I'm not sure which days or which, but I'm going to need to pack for vacation. And I'll share with you what craft supplies I'm taking on vacation. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everybody's having a great week. Bye-bye.